Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last class we were discussing some question from exercise 5.3. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 7. Find the greatest 5-digit number that is exactly divisible by 21 and 28. So we have to find out greatest 5-digit number which we can divide exactly by 21 and 28. Okay, so in previous class I already explained how to find. So first step which we have to follow, first we have to find out the LCM of given number. Okay, that means we have to find out the LCM of 21 and 28. Okay, so let's find. So here you can see first we will divide by 7. Okay, 7 3 are 21 and 7 4 are 28. Now we don't have such number by which we can divide both the number 3 and 4. Okay, so we will write LCM equal to 7 into 3 into 4. Okay, 7 into 3 into 4. When we multiply we will get 84. This is the LCM of 21 and 28. Now second step what we have to do, we have to write the greatest 5-digit number. As you can see here, as we know the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. This is greatest 5-digit number. If you count the digit 1 2 3 4 5, this is greatest 5-digit number. Now the third step which we have to do, we have to divide this greatest 5-digit number by LCM. As you can see here, so let's divide. Here we have 99,999 and this we have to divide by 84. So first we will take 2-digit number from dividend. So this is 99. So first it will go how many time? 1 time. 84 into 1, 84. Now subtract 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 159. Okay. Now again it will go how many time? 1 time. 84 into 1, 84. Now subtract 9 minus 4, 5, 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 759. Now it will go how many time? 9 time. Okay. When we multiply this by 9, we will get here 756. Now subtract 9 minus 6, 3, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0. Okay. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 39. Which is less than 84. Now we cannot divide. Okay, so we will give here 10 to take another number from the dividend, but here also we don't have any number, so we will stop here. And this is what? This is remainder. 39 is the remainder. Clear to you? That means this 99,999 is not divisible by this LCM 84. Okay, that means this is not the exact number. Okay, to find the exact number, what we have to do, we have to subtract this remainder from greatest 5-digit number. Okay, greatest 5-digit number. Clear? Hence the greatest 5-digit number exactly divisible will be obtained by subtracting 39, which is remainder here. Remainder we got from 99,999, and this is greatest 5-digit number. When we subtract, here you can see we will get 99,960. This is the answer of this question. Understood? So this is how we have to solve. Clear to you? Now question number 8, find the greatest 6-digit number. Here we have to find out greatest 6-digit number that is exactly divisible by 30, 40 and 60. Okay, 30, 40 and 60. Let me correct here. 30, 40 and 60. Okay. Now, so same way we have to find out. So first we will find LCM. As you can see, 30, 40 and 60 all are even number. So we will divide by 2. 2 15 are 30, 2 20, 20 times 40 and 30 times 60. Okay. Here you can see we have 15, 20 and 30. 20 and 30 we can divide by 2, and according to the rule at least 2 numbers should be divisible. So we will take again 2 and 15 we will write as it is, because this 15 we cannot divide by 2, so as it is you write here 15, 10 times 20 and 15 times 30. Okay, now only 10 we can divide by 2, and that is only one number, so will not take 2, will take here 3, because by 3, 15 and 15 we can divide. Okay, so now divide 3 5 is 15, 10 write here as it is, because we cannot divide this 10 by 3, and 3 5 is 50. Okay, now it will go by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 and 5 1 is 5. Okay, so what will be the LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. Okay, this one also we can take, and then also we will get the same result. Okay, so here you can see when we multiply we will get 120. This is the LCM. Okay, this is the LCM of 30, 40 and 60. Now you know very well greatest 6 digit number: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 9 lakh 99,999. Okay, this is the greatest 6 digit number. Now what we have to do, we have to divide this number by LCM. Okay, so let's divide now. So here you can see the division. So here we have the 9,99,999, and this we have to divide by 120. Okay, 120. So first it will go how many times? 8 times. When we multiply this 120 by 8, we will get here 960. Now subtract 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, we got here 39. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 399. Now it will go how many times? 3 times. When we multiply this 120 by 3, we will get here 360. Now subtract, when we subtract, we will get here 39. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 399. Again it will go 3 times. 360 will come. Now subtract 9, 9 minus 6, 3. Again we got 39. Now bring down this 9 here. Now it became 399. Again it will go how many times? 3 times. So when we multiply, we'll get here 360. Now subtract 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, so finally we got the remainder here 39. Okay, hence the greatest 6 digit number exactly divisible will be obtained after subtracting 39 from 9,99,999. Okay, so here we are getting the remainder, and this remainder we have to subtract from the greatest 6 digit number to find the exact number which we can divide exactly by 30, 40 and 60. So when we subtract 39 from the greatest 6 digit number, we will get here 9,99,960. Okay, so this is the exact number which we can divide exactly by 30, 40 and 60. Clear to you? Understood? Now question number 9, find the smallest number. Now we have to find out the smallest number of 7 digit exactly divisible by 18, 24, 32 and 40. Okay, 18, 24, 32 and 40. So we have to find out smallest 7 digit number. So here also we have to use same concept. First we have to find out the LCM. So when we find the LCM, first let's find the LCM. So here we have 18, 24, 32 and 40. Okay, all are even numbers. We'll take 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 12 times 24, 16 times 32 and 20 times 40. Okay, here you can see we got now 9, 12, 16 and 20. 12, 16 and 20 we can divide by 2, so we will take 2, and 9 as it is we will write here, because 9 we cannot divide by 2. Okay, now 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 10 is 20. Okay, now 6, 8 and 10 we can divide by 2, so we will take here 2, and 9 as it is we will write here. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Now it will go by 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 4 we will write as it is, because this 4 we cannot divide by 3, and 5 as it is. Okay, so what will be the LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, understood? When we multiply, we'll get 1440. Okay, this is the LCM. Now you know very well smallest 5-digit number, smallest 7-digit number. Let me correct here. Okay, so smallest 7-digit number you know very well. 10 lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to divide this 10 lakh by this LCM. Okay, so let's divide first. So here you can see in dividend we have 10 lakh. Okay, first it will go how many times? 6 times. When we multiply this 1440 by 6, we will get here 8640. Okay, now subtract 0. This will take carry from here. So 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, and 9 minus 8 1. Now bring down the 1 0 here. Now it became 13,600. Okay, now it will go how many times? 9 times. When we multiply this 1440 by 9, we get here 12,960. Now subtract. When we subtract, we will get 0. 10 minus 6 4, 15 minus 9 6, and 2 minus 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel. Okay, now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 6,400. Now it will go how many times? 4 times. Okay, when we multiply this 1440 by 4, we will get here 5,760. Now subtract 0 minus 0 0. This will take carry, borrow from here. 10 minus 6 4. Now 13 minus 7 6, and 5 minus 5 cancel. So we got here 640. This is the remainder. Okay, 640. So this 10 lakh is not exactly divisible by 18, 24, 32 and 40. Okay, so we have to find out the exact number. For finding the exact number, what we have to do? We have to add plus 1 in quotient. Okay, what we will get? 695. Okay, so finding the exact number, what we have to do finally? We have to multiply this LCM by 695. Then only we will get the exact number. Okay, exact number. Here you can see it means that the smallest 7-digit number is divisible by 1440 will be 695th multiple of 1440. So when we multiply 1440 by 695, we will get this number. Okay, understood? 10 lakh 800. This is the answer. This is the exact number which we can divide exactly by 18, 24, 32 and 40. This is the answer. Clear to you? Understood? Now question number 6. Find the greatest number that can divide 650, 850 exactly. 650, 850 exactly. So here we have to find out the greatest number. Greatest number, that means what? As I told you before, HCF. Greatest number, that means HCF, and the smallest number, that means LCM. Okay, so here we have to find out greatest number. So both are even numbers, so we can divide by 2. So when we divide, this will go 320 times and this will go 425 times. Now it will go by 5. When we divide, we will get here 65 and here 85. Now again it will go by 5. When we divide, we will get here 13 and here 17. Okay, so finally the number is 2 into 5 into 5. When we multiply, we will get 50. Okay, we will get 50 here. Clear to you? 50. This is the answer of this question. That means 650 and 850 exactly we can divide by 50. Clear to you? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.